Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a farmer dress. First, gather your essential materials, including about 3 to 4 yards of durable fabric like cotton or linen, matching thread, and a sewing machine. Next, select a simple pattern that aligns with your sewing experience and the style you envision. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting process, setting the foundation for your comfortable and practical garment. Now, let's prepare your fabric. Carefully lay out all your pattern pieces on the fabric, ensuring the grain line is correct. Pin each piece securely to prevent any movement while cutting. Using sharp fabric shears, precisely cut out all the components, remembering to add a consistent 5/8" seam allowance around each piece. Accuracy here is key for a well-fitting and professional-looking dress. With your fabric pieces cut, it's time to start sewing. Begin by joining the bodice pieces at the shoulder and side seams, pressing them open. Next, attach the skirt panels to the bodice, carefully gathering the skirt if your pattern calls for a fuller silhouette. Remember to finish all raw edges using a serger or a zigzag stitch to ensure durability and prevent fraying, giving your dress a clean interior. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your farmer dress. Hem the bottom edge by turning up the fabric 1 inch, pressing, then turning it up another 1 inch and stitching. Consider adding practical elements like large pockets or decorative buttons. Lastly, give your entire dress a thorough press, flattening all seams and removing any wrinkles. This final step makes a significant difference in the overall professional appearance of your handmade garment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.